then my blood just starts to leak. Psychopaths tie me to a leash. Do not let me free. Y'all just see the other side of me. Let me free. All these demons taking over me. They just wanna see me go to sleep. Falling deep. I just see the darkness taking.
What's going on, guys? I'm Buddha and Xenon, so back with another reaction, man. And today is a little something different, you know what I'm saying? We've been wanting to do an anime reaction for the longest. And I mean the longest.
Yep, like a long time.
But we're finally getting to it, you know what I'm saying? We said why not? Chainsawman is, you know, it's pretty much out already. I think, does they have like a couple episodes out already? Or is it just one episode? One episode out already, so, you know what I'm saying?
I don't know when it came out, but I seen it on my the anime website, and I was like,
yeah, I was about to say, I mean, we already watched a lot of anime, but if you guys want to recommend some animes you guys want us to react to, let us know down below. We're still going to figure this out. It's our first time doing something like this on YouTube, so if it goes up, it went well. If it doesn't go up, then we probably have trouble.
And if you recommend an anime that we watched, we just might rewatch it.
I know, if you guys want us to rewatch an anime, you know what I'm saying, I mean, let us know down below. We might, I mean, we watched a good amount of animes, you know what I'm saying, a lot of old school, new school. Actually, not that much, like, newer animes. I ain't gonna lie to you. A lot of, like, the newer animes have just been a little bit dry for me, you know what I'm saying?
Yep.
Especially, like, because I ain't gonna lie, I like romance animes. I like sports animes. I like all type of animes and shit. But a lot of the new ones, they've been a little bit repetitive on stories and stuff, you know what I'm saying? But without further ado, if you guys enjoy this one, as always, let us know down below. Drop a like, subscribe if you guys are new, and comment down below. Let us know what you guys want to start to next. Let's get right into this, man, because I'm excited. And I know the new Mob Psycho is out. Spy Family, definitely got to check that out. So let us know if you guys want us to react to those down below. Let's get it. I'm gonna be eating my recess. We're not sponsored. Y'all definitely sponsor me, you know what I'm saying? And Miawa, you know?
Our poor.
And I don't know, but yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot the art style. They went with Jujutsu Kaisen, no? Like they partnered with the creators of Jujutsu Kaisen.
Yes, I think they did. I don't remember anymore.
If I remember correctly.
I think yeah. Which is dope.
Yeah, so y'all let us know down below if y'all know more information. We definitely gotta look into it as well.
Yeah, I forgot already.
Okay, my dude is what is he, a bum?
Look, Buddha has never seen the manga. I have.
Yeah, you have.
So I already know a lot of stuff.
But I say, dude reads the manga. I mean, I guess it's cool, you know what I'm saying? Because you get more detail in the manga, don't you?
Yeah,
like
well, it depends on what they, like, because it's the original story.
Yeah,
it depends on how they make the anime. If they remove some parts, add some parts, you know.
I say they usually always do, that's what I've heard.
Yeah.
It's about... Oh, he sold a kidney? My right eye was... What? I'm sorry. So one of my nuts? What? Hold on, how is it starting? How much? Again, I think
not even $100. It looks dope. Damn,
how do you owe that much, bro?
Well, because, you know, debt collectors, scams.
Okay. The fuck is that, a tomato?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Okay, so they hunt monsters. It's kind of like Jujutsu Kaisen,
yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
It is kind of like Jujutsu Kaisen.
But they get paid to do it, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, I'm pretty sure Jujutsu Kaisen they get paid too. But they don't really show that aspect of them getting paid.
Tomato? Oh shit, I was right. Denji, alright? Oh shit. Damn. See, I don't know money over there, so I don't know how much that is. But like, I think it's a little bit.
I don't know how much it is, but it's not that much.
I was about to say it's not.
It really isn't.
No food at home, and this is gonna have a month. He said a slice of bread. Oh shit. I
Yes,
don't
they're
know.
the debt collectors.
俺たちにしている借金を返させてんだよ。
Ah.
正確にはあいつの死んだクソ親父のだがな。
Oh, fuck.
デビルハンターが務まるんですかね。
ちゃんとしたデビルハンターはな。
Wait, what did he say? I didn't get to read the whole thing.
He said he does what he wants him to do.
Oh, okay.
このタバコ食ったら100円やるよ。マジっすか。いただきます。
Nah, bro.
また悪魔が出たら言う。逃げたら豚の餌だからな。
これで3日は食えるな。
Oh my god, bro. I'm gonna
So what is he like? A dog? Yeah, I'm guessing he
Yeah,
barked.
it's a chainsaw dog.
Alright. So those are normal in the world? In their world?
Well, it's a demon.
Oh. Funny.
He's supposed to kill it, but
夢の話だけどな。
Okay.
死ぬまで借金返し終わる気しないし。
Now that I'm thinking about it, I don't know if y'all can hear the anime. It sounds a little low. So I'll higher a little bit.
と付き合えねえんだろうな。こんなボロ小屋には女呼べねえし、デートする金もねえ。
Feel you, bro.
夢叶うなら女抱いてから死にてえな。
Oh, damn. That's sad. God.
yeah, this anime is like when I read the manga, I don't know, bro.
It's like pretty sad or what?
今月の分も払わねえ。
Oh.
ガキ、物乞いするなり体を売るなりして、明日まで70万用意しろ。じゃなきゃ
Holy shit.
終わらしてやる。
Man really told him to sell himself, bro.
He said, yeah, I was about to say, he said you can fucking whore yourself. He said that shit. That's crazy. Oh. That's fucked up. His dad really killed himself. Oh, shit. Not if you save it. Oh, fuck. Oh, he saw his
No,
dad.
yeah.
まあ血飲めば傷治るって聞いたこと
I
が
was gonna say, I wonder if they're gonna show like all the like how they the deaths and shit like that.
I mean, so far
They
they
have yeah, you know, blood.
they really showed my man's,
Yeah.
you know, like,
Good thing it's uncensored. I like it when they don't censor anime, you know.
yeah. Ooh.
俺の血はただじゃねえ。これは契約だ
He。made a pact with
お
a
前
with
を
a
助け
demon.
てやるから。俺を助けろ。
Oh, so he can make like deals with them?
Yeah.
死にたくね
Oh, what the fuck? I think it's funny how this is like his tail.
え。デビルハンターに雇ってくれませんか。
Damn. Ever since.
Yeah,
Look
I'm
at
about
him
to
now.
say, bro, he was a little kid and he's barely still paying off his
Dude,
bill.
like what? How much? Like 83 billion or a million, I
と
think.
考えて
No, it was 700,000. Yeah.
It was like 83 now.
700,000. That's how much his dad
今
owed.
日寝たら見るよ。
And now he owes 170,000.
食パンにジャム塗って落ちたと食って
Dang.
女とイチャイチャしたりして一緒に部屋でゲームして抱かれながら眠るんだ。いいだろ。
Oh shit. Oh, I thought he was about to cry. Never mind.
俺の母ちゃんさ、心臓の病気で血吐いて死んだんだ
Oh,
よ。
Oh shit.
so he might have that. So his mom died from a heart disease.
Yup.
夢くらい見させてほしい。
Damn, how the fuck did his dad end up owing him that much? Like,
Cause they just borrow money.
it's real shit, bro. Like, people get in debt and
And
then
then the interest rate that they put on the money.
I
Because
say,
how long
bro.
it takes you to pay off the debt.
that's fucking crazy.
こんなとこに悪魔出たんすか？
Nope. I already know the setup.
Hmm.
見当たらないっすけど。
You tell immediately.
About to say,
どっ
bro.
か隠れたんすかね。
He's not even
Oh,
talking,
I
bro.
remember what happened.
He's not even talking, bro.
I remember what happened.
デンジよ、俺たちはてめえに感謝してんだぜ。
はい。
犬みてえに従順だし、犬みてえに安い報酬で働いてくれる。
That's crazy.
は
でも俺は犬は臭くて綺麗だ。
Holy shit, what the fuck? Threw the dog too, bro.
And it's a zombie.
俺たちヤクザもよ、もっと強くなって稼ぎてえからよ。
Wait, what the fuck?
てめえみてえに悪魔と契約することにしたん
They
だ。
made a deal with a devil.
俺たちが望むのは悪魔の力。
僕が望むのはデビルハンターの死。デビルハンター君、マジこいつらバカだよ。めっちゃバカ。悪魔の力あげるっつったらさ、自分たちから僕の奴隷になってやんのな。その力でゾンビになっちゃうんだけどね。僕、ゾンビの悪魔だから。デビルハンターは僕ら悪魔殺すから嫌い。だから殺しちゃうんだ。みんな、そいつバラバラにしてゴミ箱にでも捨てちゃって。
God damn. So all those were devil hunters then?
I'm guessing.
They just sold their soul pretty much.
Unless they're a part of the other man's group.
Yeah.
Since they like sold themselves.
I mean, I'm liking the animation in this, bro. Like the movement and everything
Like,
is nice.
even the art style looks like the actual manga.
Yeah.
Because I know there's animes where like the art style doesn't look like the manga.
Like hella different and shit.
Yeah.
Got you nut, bro.
I just say, why does the zombie running that fast?
Oh. Oh. How are you still alive? I would have been dead already, bro.
何も金持ちになりたいわけじゃねえ。ただせめて普通の生活がしたいだけなのに。んなことも叶えられねえのかよ。
God damn. Who's gonna save him? I feel like someone's saving him, no? Or maybe not.
Oh, opening? I wonder what the opening is like. Never mind. I
about to
forgot
say,
that openings always played at the end of the anime.
Oh, for the first episode?
Yeah, I remember.
They really just tossed his ass in the trash? That's crazy. Oh, they ripped his head off. What the fuck?
My man's is the main character and he's already dead, bruh.
Oh. Oh, I forgot the blood.
Yeah,
Heals him, huh?
Pochita.
落ちた。仕事に行くぜ。
Damn.
I mean, he's strong. He would take down a whole fucking tree.
他のデビルハンターに殺されるかも
He
しれない。
looks so funny, dude.
Right?
悪魔には死んだ人の体を乗っ取れるやつもいるらしい。
Mm.
落ちたにそれができるんだったら、俺の体を殺してくれてんだ。
Oh.
They haven't given him his body.
墓入った後だったらヤクザも追ってこれないだろ。そんでこの町を出て、そんで普通の暮らしをして普通の死に方をしてほしい。
Damn, bro. He was a good dude, bro. Sucks, man.
俺の夢を叶えてくれよ。
Man, that's the problem is he made him, like, if he died.
Yep. Taking over his body.
Yo, this is crazy, bro. Oh, shit.
He makes himself his heart.
So is it still gonna be the dude or is it gonna be the dog?
It's both of them.
落ちた。
Oh.
俺の体ちゃんと奪えたか。
私はデンジの夢の話を聞く。
Oh my
Damn,
god, dude,
bro.
you know what's crazy?
Damn.
I feel like they chose the perfect voice.
Right?
私の心臓をやる。
Oh, this can make a grown man cry,
I
bro.
know, right?
夢を私に見せてくれ。
For some reason, I imagined this voice in my head, like, that's how I expected him to sound.
It was kind of sad. Like, he was like, oh, you're taking my body.
Yeah.
But nah, my boy said, nah, bro. I'm gonna be with you. Damn, bro. He's gonna be mad, dude. Oh.
どういうこと？バラバラにしても生きてんの？なんで？キモ？やっぱ僕
Gross.
デビルハンター嫌い。みんなそいつ食べちゃって。
Oh, hell no, bro. Imagine my fucking zombies running at you.
恵まれてんのにもっといい生活を望んだ。俺も同じか。ポチタがいる幸せだけじゃ満足できなくて
Damn.
もっといい生活を夢に見たんだ。そうか、みんな夢見ちまうんだな。じゃあ
Real shit,
悪い
man.
ことじゃねえ。悪いことじゃねえけど邪魔すんなら
Ooh-hoo-hoo-hoo.
死ね。
Oh. Come on, y'all hyped that up too hard. for his ass to just get.
さすがに食い殺しは死ぬだろう。
Holy shit. Oh, that's hard.
Alright.
なんだお前。さっきの雑魚悪魔が体を乗っ取ったのか。そんな仲間だな。
Yo, that's crazy, bro. I like how they gave him the arms too, you know what I'm
Oh,
saying?
yeah. I mean, technically, he's a chainsaw now.
I thought you only had the head though.
No.
I never really looked into it like that, you know what I'm saying?
No cap. I love the fighting already.
Oh,
They
say
did a good job in the animations and everything.
I say, why are you tossing him, bro? It's not gonna do anything. Man, now he's freaking out. Ooh, okay. Ooh.
Damn.
Gotta get that other eye. Oh. Slice and dice. Ooh.
Damn.
Yo, man looks crazy with that. Man just sliced him in half.
あんたたちの方は心まで悪魔になっちまったみてえだな。
Damn.
デビルハンターとして雇われてるからにゃ
お
悪魔は
Yeah, so hunt
ぶっ
him.
殺さねえとね。
Damn. So they kill devils and they sell them? Like their bodies?
Yeah. I'm guessing like the body parts. I don't know what for.
God damn. Oh shit. Man went full berserk.
Mm. Damn. Poor Pochi. Pochita.
I know, bro. He looked funny as hell, bro.
He's still with him though.
I'm about to say.
But who this?
Oh,
Who this? Who this?
I'm about to say. What the fuck? Is that? Oh, is this the guy with the cigarette?
The cigarette.
The guy that gave him $100 to eat the cigarette. Oh no.
No.
But someone with hair, someone with colored hair.
I know who this is.
Someone with colored hair.
I
That
know who
means
this
he's
is.
gonna be a badass. You
It's
know
a
what I'm
female.
saying? Oh, it's a female. Oh.
You see the main
先
honcho.
を越されたね
Oh, she's a devil killer too.
生きてるのがいますね。
Nope, he's the one that killed him. But I guess since he's considered a devil now, or?
Yeah. I forget what her ability is.
これ君がやったの
ダグス
Hug me. Oh. There you go, man. One of your dreams. A girl. She's not in your crib, but I mean. Oh, what the fuck?
He's going back to his human form. That's
Oh,
cool.
that's dope.
Yeah.
人だ
悪魔による乗っ取りの可能性は
ないね
Nah.
乗っ
His
取りの
homies in
本
them,
名がわ
bro.
かるわ私はゾンビの悪魔を殺しに来た公安のデビルハンターなんだ
Damn.
君の選択肢は2つ
Oh
悪魔
no.
として
I
私
can
に
kill
殺
you
さ
like
れ
a
るか
devil.
人として私に飼われるか飼うならちゃんと餌はあげるよ
Kind of fool we talking here, because he's been eating bread. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
餌って朝飯はどんなの
See, I was correct.
食パンに
Bread with
バタ
butter
ーと
and
ジャ
jam,
ム
salad,
サラダ
coffee.
コーヒー
Just the jam on the bread,
Yeah,
bro.
right.
That's literally what he was talking about.
For dessert. That already got his attention,
Yeah.
bro.
That's literally one of his like. Shit.
最高じゃないっすか
Damn,
That was a
ended
that
up
was a
like
lit
that.
ass first episode, bro. No
What?
cap.
That was dope,
Like,
bro.
I feel like they did it right.
I was about to say, bro.
Hopefully every other episode's like this, bro.
Well, that looks like that's where it ends, man. Holy shit. First episode, man. What are your thoughts?
Crazy. Dude, the animations were better than what I expected. You know, like
About to say,
I don't know, bro. The
I-
art style and everything.
What was I gonna say? Already from the beginning, I already knew it was gonna be good. Like you said, that the art style, they chose. I feel like they chose good voice characters.
Yo,
you know
oh
what I'm
yeah, the
saying?
voice actor for Pochita, bro. It
Dude.
sounded exactly what it sounded like in my head.
I was about to say, cause you know when you think of somebody, when you see somebody small, you think of a squeakier like voice. You know what I'm saying? It definitely fit perfectly. and
Yeah.
shit. Nah, but I ain't gonna lie, that shit was sad already, bro. First episode, you know what I'm saying? When he like came back to life and he's like, oh, you're taking over my body. You know what I'm saying?
It's like nah.
He's like, nah, you know, like he's like, nah, I loved hearing your dreams and shit.
Yeah,
like I want to
that-
see them
that's-
come
that's-
true.
That's crazy.
That's a real one right there, bro. I mean, he saved his life and he saved his life back. You know what I'm saying? So that was dope as fuck, man. Definitely 10 out of 10 for me. You know
Oh,
what
yeah.
I'm saying? It couldn't be better than that, bro. Real shit. And we already saw another character. You know, I didn't get her name.
I
with the
forgot her
pink
name
hair.
too.
I
Yeah.
don't think they said her name.
No, I don't
right?
think they.
So
what is
hopefully
her
they
name,
tell
actually?
us next episode. And man, dude, that's crazy. I mean, she's like, you either die as a devil or I take you as a human. Man just wanted some bread with jam.
Yo.
He just
Good.
heard the breakfast and he was like, I'm
Yo.
cool with that.
He's
You know
like,
what I'm saying?
Bet. Sign me up.
Him and his boy just been eating bread. You know what I'm saying? That's crazy as fuck. And I feel like, I mean, I'm happy that they're out of that debt. You know what I'm saying? Because like literally that was fucked up. They would literally give him nothing. They'll cut a lot of the money that he made. I mean, they were selling those monsters or the
for
devils
400K, like
for a lot of money.
yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And I don't know if you heard, the guy was like, yeah, we pay him cheap. So I think
Yeah.
the devils that he was killing were definitely
no,
worth
they costed
even more.
way
You know
more.
what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
definitely. I mean, the tomato
So
one
if he
costed,
sold them himself, he probably would have made like
Yeah.
double or triple.
but he can't sell it
I
himself
was about
since
to
he
say,
doesn't have like
He probably.
like hunter license or some shit.
I was about
like
to say probably something like that. Yeah, like some license or something like
Yeah.
that and shit. and he owes those people. So if they catch him probably selling himself, they'll probably try to kill him. But now he's out of it. I'm excited for episode 2. If y'all want us to keep on reacting to anime, let us know down below. Let us know which other animes y'all want us to react to next. First time doing it, so hey, y'all let us know how we did.
I enjoyed it.
Hell yeah, bro. I'm excited. We definitely got to do Mob Psycho. And what's the other one? Spy Family.
Spy Family.
I know there's a lot of them. I mean, I'm done to start
Inuyasha?
I can't even pronounce it. Inuyasha.
Inuyasha.
You know what I'm saying?
Inuyasha.
And we could bring back some old school animes, bro. Like fucking Teacher Onizuka. I'm down to actually finish that anime because we never finished it.
We can
Golden
rewatch
Boy.
Dragon Ball. We can rewatch
Dragon
One
Ball.
Piece.
Y'all let us know. You know what I'm
Naruto.
saying?
I'm already rewatching Naruto. I'm already in episode.
Oh yeah, he's rewatching
110.
Naruto, so.
You know?
And I mean, it's been so long since we watched those animes, so I definitely forgot a lot about them. You know what I'm saying?
No, yeah, I know. Like right now, we're watching Naruto, and I'm like, bro, I forgot this happened.
Yeah.
Like, bro, when I think about Naruto, like how Sasuke left, he was literally gone for 90% of the anime. He was not even a main character anymore.
Alright, well, I guess that's where we're gonna end it off, guys. If y'all did enjoy, always drop a like, subscribe if you guys are new. I will see you guys next time. Peace out.